Alright you guys, so let me show you my winter sowing containers. This is a major fail. Nothing, absolutely not one of the seeds that I started here came through. I don't know, I could think of a few reasons why. Lack of watering, all day in full sun, it could have had something to do with it. I honestly did not pay much attention to these containers. After I put them here, I just sort of forgot about them. I maybe watered them once, and that was all the water they got, other than, you know, nature. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to try that again next year, and we'll see how we do. And I am honestly not heartbroken. It sucks that they didn't take, but I have these seeds going already inside. I have plenty of snapdragons. I wish that the hollyhocks would take, because I didn't start any hollyhocks inside. Like I say, I'm not heartbroken, but I will definitely try again next year. Now let me show you this little guy right here. If you guys remember this container from last year, after I pruned my hydrangeas in the early spring last year, I had all these branches that I had removed from the shrubs, and I wanted to do something with it. So I decided to start a trellis. I show you in a video how to do that, and I think that it came out pretty good. I used that trellis to guide my sugar snap peas, the ones that you eat, and they did okay. And I think that the main reason why they did okay was because the branches that I was using to make the trellis from the hydrangeas, they all rooted. I found myself constantly coming outside on a weekly basis, just removing the new growth from the branches. And I mean, it's great that they took, but that was not my intention. I had a bunch of sticks here, about 20 some sticks here. They all wanted to root. So in the winter, when, you know, when I was done with the container, I decided to leave just this little guy right here. And basically what I did is that I removed all of the other branches that were rooting here. Yes, I just threw them away, no big deal, but I let this one be. I didn't even move it. I just let it over winter, and I thought if it comes back next year, then I will treat it and I'll do my best. So this thing was about, I don't know, 4 feet tall, you guys. So what I did is that I came here, I chopped it off about this length, and then I just let be. So I am just leaving a couple of the new growth be. So the idea is that these are going to go and make new blooms and everything. It may not bloom this year, who knows? But I am coming here and I am just removing the ones that want to come from the new buds over here, so that the growth just concentrates on the top. I don't know how this is going to go. I have been watching videos about how to train or how to grow hydrangeas from cuttings to make into standard hydrangeas. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm having fun with it. So what I'm just going to do this year, because this is all the soil from last year, actually I already did this. I came and removed a little bit, as much as I could from the top. So my intention this spring was to take this out and put it in a new container, but the roots are massive already, so I'm just not going to disturb it, and I'm just going to let it be. So what I did is I just took all the soil that I could from the top, I added new soil, and I added some plantain, just so that the roots have some nutrients here. See over here, I have roots coming from it. So wish me luck. If you guys have tried this, if you have turned your hydrangeas or cuttings into standard hydrangeas, just leave me some tips in the comments, because I can use all the help that I can get. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but I'm just taking it easy on these guys. I might need some more soil here to cover the roots, but this is a nice surprise. Now let me show you the elephant ear that I have growing here, you guys. Look at that. I show you a video of when I planted these. This is not the container where it's going to be. This is just where I put the big I don't know, ball corn, whatever it's called. And I have been keeping it inside under my LED lights. And about, I don't know, 4 days ago, I started taking it outside because it's gorgeous. And little by little, I am hardening it off. Look at this. There is a new leaf coming here. Do you see that? That is gorgeous. And obviously, the main leaves. Ah, look at that. It's just gorgeous. So I'm very, very happy with how this elephant ear is growing. So that is all I have for today, you guys. My idea for this year as far as making videos on YouTube is just to bring you along, to show you what I'm doing, to give you updates on how plans or things that I'm doing are going. If you guys have any requests or any ideas for videos, just let me know in the comments. As always, if you have any questions about what you saw today, let me know, and I'll do my best to answer all of the questions, you know, within a few days. Stay safe, and until the next video.